Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to manually create a backup of our phone. So our automatic synchronizations, backups, etc. are turned off. How to manually backup? Here we have our Samsung S22 Ultra. We have to go to the options, then we're looking for accounts, accounts and backup options here. And here we have few options, for example, Samsung Cloud or Google Drive. Let's use Google Drive. Backup now option is right here. Simply click and our backup is now should be stored in our account. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.